Birds time. Identify the birds from the given clues. Choose your answers from the help box. Help box. Greater Rhea. Cassowary. Ostrich. Kiwi. Kakapo. Penguin. 1. It is the largest bird of South America. Greater Rhea. 2. Also known as the owl parrot, this bird is native to New Zealand. Kakapo. 3. King, emperor and gentoo are some of the species of this bird. Penguin. 4. This bird, native to New Zealand, shares its name with a fruit. Kiwi. 5. This bird has a blue head topped by a bony helmet. Cassowary. 6. It is the largest living bird in the world. Ostrich.